Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Facebook and Instagram shopping on your Shopify store. Connecting your store to Meta allows you to showcase your products on Facebook and Instagram, sync your catalog automatically, and even tag products in your posts and ads. The setup is straightforward, so let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to Apps and Sales Channels. If you haven't already, open the Shopify App Store, search for Facebook and Instagram by Meta, and install the official app. Once the app is installed, open it and click Get Started. Sign in with your Facebook account and connect the correct Meta Business Manager, Facebook page, and Instagram Professional account. If your Instagram account is still a personal account, switch it to a business or creator account before continuing. Next, connect your Meta Commerce account or create a new one if you don't already have one. Shopify will also ask you to connect your product catalog. In most cases, your Shopify products will automatically sync to the catalog, so you won't need to upload them manually. After connecting everything, review your business information and confirm that your products are available on the online store sales channel in Shopify. Products that aren't published to your online store won't be eligible to appear on Facebook or Instagram shopping. Now, wait for Meta to review your account and product catalog. During the review process, Meta checks your business, website, and products to ensure they comply with its commerce policies. This approval process usually takes a few days, although it can sometimes take longer. Once your shop is approved, you can start tagging products in Instagram posts, Reels, and Stories, as well as Facebook posts where supported. Customers can tap on the tagged products to view more details and visit your Shopify store to complete their purchase. It's also a good idea to open Meta Commerce Manager and review the catalog section. Check for any product errors or warnings such as missing images, incomplete descriptions, or policy violations. Fixing these issues quickly helps ensure all your products remain eligible for shopping features. If you plan to run paid advertising, connect your Meta Pixel through the same Facebook and Instagram app. This allows you to track customer actions like product views, add to cart events, and purchases, giving you better reporting and more effective ad optimization. Remember to keep your product information updated in Shopify. Since your catalog syncs automatically, any changes you make to product titles, prices, inventory, or images will be reflected in your Facebook and Instagram shop after the next synchronization. Finally, monitor your shop regularly inside Meta Commerce Manager. Review diagnostics, product approvals, and account notifications to make sure everything continues running smoothly. Keeping your catalog healthy helps maximize your visibility across Facebook and Instagram. And that's it. That's how to set up Facebook and Instagram shopping on Shopify. By installing the Facebook and Instagram app, connecting your Meta accounts, syncing your product catalog, completing Meta's review process, and monitoring your catalog, you'll be ready to showcase your products across Meta shopping platforms. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.